Hi all. We we are on a trip today from Gopalpur to Daringbadi. So we have started in Gopalpur at around 5 in the morning and we reached here at 8:30. So if you're looking for a location where it's very close to nature and you want to be away from all the city life, around mobile phones being switched off with no signal, no one to reach you. Here we are, the waterfalls in Daringbadi. We, I'm surprised to see that there's no one here, no tourists. Probably because this is due to pandemic. Such a lovely feeling. So I'm here with my cousin. Oh man, perfect view. So we're just done with the waterfalls as you have seen before. This is the surroundings. Since this is a pandemic time, we didn't guest house or a resort. Rather, we thought we'll cook ourselves. So we have all the setup. I know car is little dressed up with all the clothes that have been wet, and we've got all the equipments. Gas. Here is our cousin. We will be cooking rice and chicken curry. The rice is almost there to be put on the stove. And here is my brother who is cutting onions and some tomatoes. And here is my mama who is wearing it. We are at the next location in Daringbadi. This is called as a Lover's Point. I don't know why, but I'm just loving the flow of water, the nature part here. Beautiful, isn't it? Our menu for the evening: fish caught near the Lover's Point,